Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thanks for being here. Trust that you're guided to be here in divine timing to receive this healing energy. I want to acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. You can use this if you're sensitive to receiving energy to endorse, support and encourage you on your path. Today I wanted to work with the conscious intention to come into alignment with your true self. So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can open your eyes or close your eyes, it doesn't matter. And really all you need to do to receive this energy is to nod or affirm yes. So take a deep breath. And another. And another. So just to bring your focus and attention to the words true self. And what does that evoke in your mind? Who is my true self? And the energy that's coming through is really about clearing away what no longer serves you. So this is any judgments, expectations from other people, from yourself. All the stories, all the beliefs, all the habits, all the diets, all the behaviors that you do to regulate yourself, to try to fit into somebody else's idea of who you should be. Go ahead and place your hand on your heart. So this energy is very much about creating a harmonic coherence in the center of your being. And for you to rest and sit comfortably, be at peace with who you are. And as soon as I say those words, I feel the surfacing of all the reasons why you're not good enough, why you're not okay, why you should be doing something different, why things are out of sorts. Just going to clear all that energy away, clear it away. Remember that you are unique. There is no one else like you. And you're needed. Your unique talents, skills, abilities, everything that you are, everything that you bring to life is unique. You have your own biosignature frequency. And when you're resonating, when you're in tune, when you have harmonic coherence with this biosignature frequency, sing, right? A reverberation that carries unto eternity. And when you're walking and you're a little bit out of alignment, or you're off center, or you're slightly out of sync, or there's discord, or you're out of sorts in any way, remember that your natural state, your birthright, your natural state is to be in sacred alignment with your true self. So that's who's being expressed through your words, through your actions, through your work, through your play, through your relationships. Your authentic self. And just for a moment, if you can hold in your mind's eye, in your awareness, in your thoughts, as we're working this energy, all of the judgments that have been laid upon you, layer upon layer upon layer, from your parents, from your brothers and sisters, from your children, from your relationships, from your friends, from your culture, from your society, from your environment. All of these judgments and expectations, just clearing those, stripping them away, layer upon layer, layer upon layer. Refining, just to the pure essence of you. The beating heart, the reverberation, unadulterated, pure essence of you. Bringing that into alignment. Finding the resounding reverberation of that person, of that being. Beyond identification, beyond labels, beyond character, beyond personality. Identification, the ego mind. All of these things, layer upon layer, just to bring it back. Who are you in the center of your being? Who am I in the center of my being? Ask yourself. Maybe it's uncomfortable here. Maybe there's energy that wants to twist and distort, have you fit into some kind of shape, to some kind of form. Maybe you're not comfortable in your body. Just letting all of that dissipate and dissolve. Take a nice deep breath for me. Because the truth is, no matter what shape or form you come in, you are who you are, and you are magnificent. And now just allowing all the feelings of self-worth or lack of self-worth to bubble and rise to the surface. Bubble and rise, I feel it in my throat. Bubble and rise to the surface, right? So that it can be dissolved, be resolved. Just notice any thoughts of discomfort or agitation or feeling agitated in any way. Just allow them to surface. Put the spotlight on them. And be aware that they may be present for a few days after receiving this healing. And if you're feeling that agitation or that discomfort, just remember to breathe and take a deep breath in with me right now. I'm going to let out a sigh. At any moment you can dissipate those feelings by doing just that. Just bringing your true self online, right? Maybe the true self's been in the background. Maybe you've been wearing a mask. Maybe you've been operating from the back of the bus, going through the motions, playing a role, being a character, wearing the labels. But underneath all of that, your true, authentic expression, your true self, radiant, loving, unconditionally loving, kind, generous, sparkly. Somebody who wants to give, somebody who wants to contribute, somebody who wants to participate, somebody who wants to be productive, somebody who wants to be engaged with life, yeah? All of these things bring life, bring the life force, bring meaning, and all of the other stuff that weighs us down. Just clearing those away. I've been adding sound effects to these healing sessions because that's what I hear when I work. You have clairaudience. Go ahead and place your hand on your throat because I am feeling a lot of energy right here in my throat. And if you can tone with me, I'm going to just clear that throat chakra so that your authentic expression, your authentic self can come through your words, through your song, through your hum, through your tone. So take a deep breath. Continue that sound. One more time. You can hear the waver in my voice. There's a lot of resistance right there. Just feeling that in the collective. The back too. Just bringing the energy of the heart online. The computer just cut out there in the middle, ran out of memory. Just feel called to say that here now I meet you as your true self. That spark of the divine, your spirit, your essence. Regardless of the story, regardless of the journey, regardless of the drama, all of those things, and just meet you there. And for some of you, it may take a while for that true self to feel safe to come forward. It's okay. It's okay to be you. And thank you for being you. Thank you. Huzzah. Oh, my loves. If you like this, if you receive some benefit, please like, share, subscribe. Always welcome to make a donation. See the links below. Bless.